Hey guys, this is gonna be a cool little video, super short. I did this puzzle a couple months ago and I loved it. It was super cute. I knew I wanted to hang it up in my office area and I just now got around to doing it. You know, it's been a couple months, but I finally got it glued. I did end up using puzzle glue. I'll probably just end up buying Mod Podge next time. I think it's cheaper, so whatever. So I glued this whole side and then you can see how sturdy it is. I glued this side, and I do not own this house. This is a house that I rent, and the past few years, the houses that we have rented, I try not to put holes in the walls because I don't want to have to pay for it. I don't want to have to fix it. So I've been using these command strips, and that is what I'm going to hang it up with this time. I also see a lot of people kind of like put it on a frame, and I'm not interested in that because I don't want to have to go out and buy a plastic frame or, you know, something that's going to break in the long run. So I'm just going to use the command strips on the back of this and hang it up on the wall, which should be fun because I don't ever measure it. Sometimes it turns out crooked, but since it is removable because it's Velcro, I can fix that. So that should be fun. All right, so I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing. All right, these are the command strips that I get. I usually just, I don't even pull them apart. I just do this. This is how I hang everything in my house. So I'm gonna flip it over. Feels pretty sturdy. I probably could put another coat on. I'm not going to. This, I'm gonna stick it on the side. This one over here. Don't care if it's not even. Then, so I got these on. I'm just gonna take these off. And I think I'm gonna hang it on this wall. We do a lot of puzzles in our house. My kids love them. So, and this one was actually really hard, all of these sunflowers, and I did not want to take it apart and do it again. So, and plus it's really cute to hang up. All right, wish me luck. I don't like putting stuff way up high. I like it being like where I can see it, and I'm pretty short, so. We're gonna go here. This looks good. I'm just gonna stick it on. And like I said, most of the time when I hang stuff, it does end up crooked, so I don't know if that looks crooked. I think it looks a little high on the right, but I'm just gonna leave it. I don't know, I don't have OCD, so it doesn't really bother me that much. If it bothers you, don't look at it. All right, so that's it for this. It's just a cute little thing I wanted to do with my room. So I'll catch you guys in the next one.